Hello, hello. What are today's messages? We got some cards to start with. My happiness is a choice I make. Absolutely. Even storms have a calm center. Today, if chaos rises up around me, I will be the I. Is that why it's called that? I am thankful for the ability to grow in whatever way I choose. Wind of the Spirit. I breathe deeply as I inhale and exhale. My body is refreshed. My breath is always present to calm me like a wind of the Spirit. I am connected to the source of life. I am vividly alive. Breathe. I anchor myself in my breath. With a deep inhale, I remind myself what a privilege it is to be alive and full of so much life. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. Buddha, what makes us human? Selecting all images with traffic lights. Ha ha ha. Instead of asking, what do I want from life? Ask, what does life want from me? Eckhart Tolle. Forgive yourself for not knowing then what you know now. You weren't supposed to know. You were supposed to learn. Spend 15 minutes a day in gratitude and appreciation of who you are and watch your life change. And the last one today. Good reminder, I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. Carl Jung. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Oh, hello. What are today's messages? I focus my energy on the things that are within my control. Be not afraid of going slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. Pick an area in life you want to improve. Health, education, relationships, etc. Take action to be 1% better today. To choose doubt as a philosophy of life is akin to choosing immobility as a means of transportation. What could be accomplished if self-doubt was replaced with self-belief? Good idea. 29. Run wild. Let your inner child run forth. Number 9. My body knows how to self-heal. I hope you believe that. Barefoot. Walk barefoot. Take off your shoes and feel the ground inside or outside. For full benefit, walk on a natural surface like grass or imagine walking barefoot on a warm beach. Connecting with the ground charges your body with Earth's energy as its natural good vibrations. Let's pick this one today. Don't let anyone brainwash you into hating someone who has done nothing to you. Other people's problems are not yours. I let go of any inherited myths that taught me I need to sacrifice myself in order to be good or lovable. I hope you decline every invitation to return to past cycles. Get free and stay free. How are you feeling inside will express itself on the outside. Start feeling the way you want from the inside out. Work on feeling peaceful. The quality of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are key. And the last one today. Remember, you have the right to avoid conversations that won't benefit your peace of mind. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? And what do we need to hear today? Let it be complicated. We love to simplify stories, situations, and people into good or bad, happy or sad, organizing them like we were shelving books at the library. It's not that simple, and that's good news. Categorization is great when you're working with the Dewey Decimal System, and not so great when we're talking about people. About life, today resist the urge to sort and categorize. Let things and people be who they are, even if you think they're the worst. The point of power is always in the present moment. The past is over and done and has no power over me. I can begin to be free in this moment. Today's thoughts create my future. I am in charge. I now take my own power back. I am safe. I am free. True experiences lose meaning when you put them into words. Your idea space and that of others are based on experiences that go beyond words. Why not give others the benefit of the doubt? If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then an idea is worth 1,000 pictures. It is difficult to share your idea space with words alone. Today, be creative with how you communicate with others. Stop wanting more, for you lack nothing. You have everything you need to get what you dream of. Relax, breathe, be alert, and prepare to receive when the timing is right. Alrighty, let's see what's in here today. I am learning and unlearning and relearning. I am courageous. I am zesty with my life. I am lovable. I am feeling good. I am light. I am free. I am loved. I matter. I am joyful. I am complete. I am loving. I am beautiful. I am peaceful. I am creative. I am abundant. I am unstoppable. I am lovable. I am a force to be reckoned with. I am at peace with my life. I am grateful. I am choosing joy. I am loving life. And the last one, I am always improving. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.